Dear students, good morning to everybody. Hope you are all fine. Today we have one of the non-communicable diseases, that is the cancer. How we define cancer and what is cancer? Generally, cancer is defined as uncontrolled proliferation of cells without any differentiation. Cancer cells do not remain confined to one part of the body. They penetrate and infiltrate into the adjoining tissues and dislocate their functions. Cancer is one of the most dreaded diseases of human beings and is a major cause of death all over the world. More than a million Indians suffer from cancer and a large number of them die annually. In our body, cell growth and differentiation is highly controlled and a regulated process. But in cancer cells, there is an abnormal and uncontrolled division of cells due to breakdown of these regulatory mechanisms. Normal cells show a property called contact inhibition, in which the dividing cells, when in contact with other cells, inhibit their uncontrolled growth, but cancer cells do not have this property, that is the property of contact inhibition. Therefore, cancer cells continue to divide, giving rise to mass of cells called neoplasm or tumors. Now, the types of tumors. What are the various types of tumors? Tumors can be benign tumors or malignant tumors. Benign tumors remain confined to their original location and do not separate to other parts of the body and hence cause little damage. Malignant tumors are neoplastic or tumor cells. They divide and grow very rapidly, invading and damaging surrounding normal tissues, starving the normal cells by competing for vital nutrients. Cells slaughtered from such tumors reach distant site through blood, and whenever they get lodged in the body, they start a new tumor. This property is called metastasis and is the most feared property of malignant tumors. Now, what are the causes of cancer or carcinogenic agents? Transformation of normal cells into cancerous neoplastic cells may be induced by physical, chemical, and biological agents. Now, what are the physical agents? Ionizing radiations like X rays and gamma rays, and non ionizing radiations like ultraviolet rays cause DNA damage, which leads to neoplastic transformation. Now, the chemical agents. Chemical carcinogens are present in tobacco smoke, which have been identified as a major cause of lung cancer. Third, the biological agents. Cancer causing viruses called oncogenic viruses have genes called viral oncogenes which can cause cancer. Several genes called cellular oncogenes, C-onc, or proto-oncogenes have been identified in normal cell. Activation of these genes under certain conditions could lead to oncogenic or carcinogenic transformation of the cell. Now, the types of cancers. There are so many types of cancers. We are having carcinomas, sarcomas, leukemias. Other types can be melanoma, adenoma, lymphoma, glioma. Now, carcinomas. Carcinomas are malignant growths of the epithelial or ectodermal tissues that cover or line the body organs. For example, skin cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, cancer of stomach, and pancreas. About 85% of all tumors are carcinoma. Now, sarcomas. Sarcomas are malignant growths arising in tissues derived from primitive mesoderm. For example, bone tumors, cancer of lymph nodes. Leukemias. Leukemias result from unchecked proliferation of cell types present in blood and their precursors in the bone marrow. Other types of cancers: melanoma, adenoma, lymphoma, glioma. Melanoma, cancer of pigment cells of the skin. Adenoma is the cancer of glands. Lymphoma is the cancer of lymphatic tissue, and glioma is the cancer of glial cells of central nervous system (CNS). Detection and diagnosis and treatment of cancers, it will be inshallah in our coming offline class. Thanks.